What's up guys, it's Cody here, and today in this video we're going to be taking a look at some brand new Apple products that I picked up this morning. So as you guys know, the brand new iPhone XS and XS Max as well as the Apple Watch Series 4 launched today. So I went to the Apple store, picked that up, and I also got some brand new accessories that I want to show you guys. And I went for more of a muted look just for this video, just because I think that's probably what I'm going to be going with this year. I just think they look really nice. So I got some brand new iPhone XS Max cases, some Apple Watch Series 4 bands. So let's go ahead and take a look. So first let's start with the big dog. This is the iPhone XS Max. So this is the gold version, and I got the 256 gig version just because I don't need 512 gigs. My last device was actually 64 gigs and it was way too small, but 256 gigs should be just fine. And just as a side note, I am giving away a brand new 256 gig iPhone X that can be jailbroken. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll put a link in the description below for you guys to see how to enter. So we're not going to take too long unboxing this phone just because I'm sure you guys have seen several of these. So let's just make sure that we get the nice little unwrapping sounds that everybody knows and loves. Isn't that just satisfying? We got one more coming up. So let's go ahead and pop the top here. Oh look, paperwork, very original. And check it out, this is the iPhone XS Max in gold. And man, that looks good. It's definitely a whole lot darker than the other versions of gold I've seen in the previous iPhones, but it looks really good. Now, of course, you guys know what we get in the box. We had the headphones with no adapter for a headphone jack. We also have the 5-watt power adapter, which is way too small for an iPhone. Don't know why they keep shipping those. And we also have just the regular USB to Lightning cable rather than a USB-C to Lightning cable, which is what we should have. And we should have a fast charger right here. But let's put this aside and let's take a look at the phone once again. And let's take this off right here. And I'll be quiet so you guys can listen. Feels good. All right, let's power this guy on. And while this is powering on, let's start taking a look at some other devices and accessories. So let's go with the watch next. So this is the Apple Watch Series 4. This is the gold aluminum, and the band is actually pink because I bought the wrong watch the first time because I was panicking while I was pre-ordering. So I have the pink watch here, or the pink band, but I have some, or salmon, pink sand, whatever they call it. I also have some other bands that I'm going to be switching out with this one. So they actually changed up how they box this, and so this should be a nice little unboxing experience as well. So let's go ahead and get started here. Okay, that didn't come off very well, but it'll do. So you can see the gold aluminum case here, the pink sand sport band. This is the 44 millimeter. They came in two new sizes this year, which is the 40 millimeter and the 44 millimeter. So this is the larger of the two. Now I'm not sure exactly how to open this. I'm just gonna wing it. Perfect. Okay, that's cool. Wow, that's pretty nice. That's a nice unboxing experience right there. I mean, this just looks really, really good. So let's go ahead and pop the top here. Ooh, and it comes in a nice little jacket, little iPhone or Apple Watch jacket. That looks really, really nice. Let's pop this out here. If I can get it out. There we go. Oh, and it looks like it's coming on already. Pretty cool. Okay, so let's put this right here. And let's take a look at the bands that I guess are in the bottom. So of course we have the 5-watt power adapter, we have the charging cable right here as well. And the way this is set up is you just lift this up, boom. There's my pink band that I didn't mean to get. But it's okay, because I actually got a matching iPhone case to go with this, just in case I ever want to rock the pink. So let's go ahead and unbox this one as well. She got a little pull tab, so we'll pull that out. There is the Apple Watch band. So of course we have the two sides here. This is the medium large size and this is the small medium size. This is not going to change depending on which one you use. And just keep in mind that all of your older Apple Watch bands are going to fit this new Apple Watch as well. So let's go ahead and pop this out. Right there. All right, I'm pretty excited to start hooking all this up and just take a look at everything. So let's take a look at this watch band real quick, and we'll slide it in to our new Apple Watch. I'm not gonna lie, pink looks pretty fresh. I think I could rock the pink. It looks pretty good. This looks really good. Okay, so now let's take a look at some of the other accessories that I picked up this morning. So since we have the Apple Watch here, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the bands that I picked up this morning. And while I'm doing that, I'll tell you kind of how I accidentally got this phone. So pre-orders are absolutely insane. I'm always panicking when I'm doing it online. So I ended up picking this one up, and what I really wanted was the gold stainless steel version with the LTE. And I ended up picking up this one, and I got the wrong band. So this is the one that I ordered first, so this is the one that I got today. And I didn't know if I was gonna like the gold, so I ended up getting a black one as well. So I have a black aluminum coming today that's gonna be delivered a little bit later. And I also ordered the gold stainless steel. That's not coming until October 5th. So I went ahead and picked up some new bands for this one as well. So let's move this to the side just for a little bit. And this is the black Apple Watch band. And I'm not sure how these are going to look on a gold watch, but I have some different bands for the black aluminum as well, so I think the black is gonna look good with at least the black if it doesn't look good with the gold. So let's just take a look to see what this looks like really quick. All right, I'm not gonna lie, this looks actually pretty good. It looks a little bit better than I thought. If you're really into getting a whole bunch of different colors for your Apple Watch bands just because you like to match with whatever you're wearing, I think this is gonna be a good one with the gold aluminum. It's just that this is the black version. It's not a dark blue or anything like that, but honestly, I think it looks really good. So next, let's take a look at the white. So we'll go ahead and unbox this one too, really quick. Now let me know in the comments below if you guys were able to pick up any devices today, whether it's an iPhone XS, a XS Max, or the new Apple Watch, or maybe you picked up some other devices like another Apple Watch, maybe not the Series 4. Let me know what you guys got and what color and everything you got in the comments below. Now let's take a look at the white. I think the white is gonna look really good. I'm just gonna start taking out one of each of these so I don't have to put them all back. So let's take a look to see what the gold looks like with the white bands here. So the white looks pretty good too. I don't think it looks quite as good as the black, but you know, this could definitely go along with something you were trying to wear or if you were trying to match. So not too bad. Now let's do the last band. This is the one that I actually wanted. So let's see what it looks like on the gold aluminum. Now I haven't seen this band on the gold aluminum yet. I have seen it on the stainless steel and it looks really nice. So hopefully it translates well over to the aluminum casing as well. So let's take a look. Again, this is the stone color. So it just looks kind of bougie. It's got a nice matte, kind of dull color. All these colors are pretty dull, or I guess muted is the right word rather than dull. Let's pop these out and pop these in. I'd say the gold aluminum does look a little pinkish, like a rose gold. So that's something to keep in mind. But the stone actually looks pretty good too. It looks pretty fancy, like if you're gonna dress up and go do something, which I never do, but it looks pretty nice. All right, so these are all the Apple Watch bands that I picked up. I think they all look pretty good for their own style. So let's go ahead and take a look at the new iPhone XS Max and the cases that I picked up for it. All right, so these are the iPhone cases that we're gonna be taking a look at today. I have the white, the black, the stone, and the pink sand. And I got these colors, or I'm unboxing just these colors because it's gonna go with all these colors that I have for the Apple Watch. So taking these cases out is pretty easy. Oh, of course I say that and then it starts to rip. So this is the white one. So let's take a look at this one first. And these are all the silicone cases. These are the cases that I like the most just because they have really good grip. The leather ones, it takes a while before I can actually grab onto them because they're just so slick. So this is going to look pretty good with the gold. White and gold just always goes together really well. Now you're not gonna see a lot of the gold. I mean, you have the very bottom and you also have the mute switch back here and just a sliver, an absolute sliver of color around that lens right there that you can see. But white, I mean, that just looks really good, I think. I'm actually pretty happy with the white. I possibly could even use the white on a daily basis. Now, I actually got all the colors for the silicone cases. So if you guys want to see a video of just all the cases, let me know by hitting the like button on this video. So there we have the white. Now let's take a look at the black. And we'll unbox this one really quick. And let's see what this looks like on the device. Man, it's hard to make this thing look bad. Black and gold, I mean, what are you gonna say? That looks really, really good. I'll try to get some B-roll of all these just so you can get a closer look of them. But man, this just looks good, and I just love the feel of the silicone cases. Really, really nice. So let's take a look at the stone, and this is the one that's going to match, obviously, the stone watch band. And I'm on the fence on this color. I think I like it, but I'm just not sure if it's something that I'm gonna wanna rock every single day. So, I don't know, we'll just have to see. I'll wait it out, and we'll see how it goes. But I just think the gold and the stone just looks really good. So here's the stone. And you can see, you know, pairing it up with that Apple Watch right there, it looks really nice. Now the buttons on here, they're really nice. They're really clicky and they're raised, so you know, you can feel them. It's not like the leather ones. The leather ones have a plastic button on the sides now, and they work a whole lot better than the original leather buttons that were on the cases originally, but I just love the silicone cases a whole lot more. Plus, they're actually cheaper than the leather cases, so win-win. All right, last but not least, let's take a look at the pink sand iPhone XS Max iPhone case. I'm actually liking the pink a whole lot more than I thought when I actually bought the Apple Watch, just because I thought it was a big mistake. And now I'm like, man, I like the pink. The pink looks great. Yeah, I mean, it matches really well with the gold, of course, as you can see. So it's really hard to make this iPhone or this Apple Watch look bad, just because, I mean, these are just really beautiful devices. So I don't think it matters what color you actually get. I think this is all going to just look really good no matter what. So let me know what you guys think about this unboxing and all these colors in the comments below. I'm gonna be doing an iPhone X versus XS Max comparison. So that's where you're gonna get all your specs. That's where you're gonna get the new features and everything. So if you guys wanna check that out, just stay tuned. I'll be posting that hopefully today at some point for you guys to enjoy. All right guys, if you wanna stay up to date with everything Apple, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video.